Hi, I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this is a moment of calm. Here at SHEFIT, we are all about support. So we've created 12 episodes of yoga and tips on how to break and find that little moment of calm in your day. Today, we're going to work with some grounding poses. Let's begin in a supported stance. Feet hip-width distance apart. Engage your thighs, engage your belly. Find support. Lift your shoulders up, back, and down. Breathe in, look up. Bow forward. Halfway lifts. Step your right foot back, 2 to 3 feet. Turn your toes out. Open up into triangle pose. Now you can use a block or a prop. Strong in your back leg. Push down and back through the pinky toe edge of your back foot. Good. Inhale. Big exhale. Take one more breath. Pyramid pose. Just shift your hips forward. Step your back foot up a little bit. Again, if you need a block, if you can't reach, no worries. Use a block or a prop or bring your hands down. Breathe some space here into the backs of your legs. Inhale, big empty. Take another breath. Let it all out. Lift up halfway. Plant your right hand on a block or the floor. Bring your left hand to your left hip. Create length in your spine and begin to twist open to the left. Twisted triangle. Ground through your back heel. Draw up and forward with your chest. Belly in to twist a little bit bigger. Breathe in. Breathe it all out. One more breath. Bow forward. Set your prop to the side. Halfway lifts. Bow. Rise up, reach all the way up. Bow forward. Halfway inhale. Step your left foot back, triangle pose. Your right hand can come to your shin, a block or the floor, and then reach up. Get big, expand here with that breath. Strong in your legs. So for this pose, it's your legs and belly that support you. Reach up. If your neck feels funny, you can always look down. Inhale. Exhale. Take one more breath. Pyramid. Bring both hands down. Bring your back foot a little more forward. Square off your hips and bow over your front leg. Take a breath. Let it out. Good job. Inhale. Stay grounded in your back heel. And lift up halfway. Place your left hand on a block or the floor. Right hand to your right hip. Get long in your torso. You can leave your hand on your hip or you can reach to the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in, get long through your torso. Keep the strength in your belly. Fill. Get all of it out. Biggest, best breath right here. Bow forward. Halfway lifts. Bow. Rise, one, great big breath all the way to the top, and release your hands down. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. In support of each other, together we say, Namaste. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this has been a moment of calm.